Hey, welcome to Shimmer Blast. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute elf peanut neighborhood gift. First, take a piece of felt, and then you're just going to measure to the size of the peanut jar. Now the great thing about felt and this particular jar is that you can pull the felt really tight and still have the shape compared to using paper. So we're going to just proceed to glue. Next, I have this shiny foam that will be the accent piece. For the belt, just take a piece of black felt. I just use an X-Acto knife to cut right in the middle of the buckle piece, and then slide the black felt in through the two slits. For his hat, I just have a rounded edge triangle that I used to cut a template of the green. And then I'm just going to put a strip of hot glue right at the very edge of the triangle to glue the two pieces together. And then I'll glue a red pom-pom. So this little elf, I want him to have some hair. I took my scissors on the straight edge of this brown piece and I just cut a wave, almost like a little M into it. And then I'm just going to glue it right to the lid. And you can make the hair whatever color you want. And then I'll trim the excess. Attach the hat. Then we'll just add the accent piece around the top. Okay, lastly, choose what size of eyes you want. I want the big googly eyes because they're so fun. And then the nose. And then I just glue a little tiny mouth on. And there's your cute little peanut elf neighborhood Christmas gift. If you want to see more party ideas or craft ideas, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.